Let us begin with ABC to Business Communication. So today we are going to start our discussion regarding ADA model. Now what exactly do we mean by ADA? A stands for attention or awareness, I stands for interest, D stands for desire, and again A stands for action. Let us discuss these points. These four stages are the ones that a consumer goes through when watching or viewing an advertisement. According to Lewis, the role of an advertisement is to attract the customers. And once an ad grabs attention of the audience, it has to invoke interest towards the product in the minds of the consumers. After creating an interest, the ad has to bring desire in consumers' mind to use the product, and finally, consumer has to take a favorable action towards the product by ultimately purchasing the products. So let us begin with the discussion of these points. Point number one, tension or awareness is usually there when you as a company are going to use any kind of image, any kind of color, any kind of celebrity or model, or so these things are going to catch hold of the audience attention. They are going to make the audience aware regarding your product. They are going to create an awareness. In case of awareness, a company makes its prospective customers aware of who exactly they are, what are its products, and what kind of goods or services are they indulging in. So they are going to, answer all possible questions that might, arise in the mind of the customers or consumers. Then point number two is interest. Now, once attention is grabbed, once awareness is created, then it is necessary to create interest in the mind of the viewers so that they will, read more about the brand being advertised. And by the use of attractive subhead, interest can be invoked. All right. Then we are having desire. Now desire, the element of desire is usually created by the use of body copy, where you write in detail about the necessity of buying the brand, and thereby explaining the features of the brand, facts and figures. You are by explaining all the relevant details regarding your product, you are trying to create a desire in the mind of the consumers. All right. Then at the end we are having action. Now what exactly is this? Towards the end, the contact information of the brand is provided, and through this the viewers are expected to take any kind of action on an immediate basis. And it can be in the form of shop details, it can be in the form of any kind of address, toll free number, or website address can be there. So these four points are related to consumer. While watching any kind of commercial, while watching any kind of ad, a particular set of audience goes through all these four stages. All right. Now in the present changing times, where various things keep on changing with the demands of the market, ADA model has undergone a particular change, and one more point, which is one more A, has been added at the end, and this particular A is advocacy. Now when we are going to say advocacy, we mean to say that something which is known as WOM, word of mouth publicity, which is being done by the customer or the consumer once they have already invested in a particular product or in a particular brand. If they are going to like a particular product, then they are going to indulge in positive publicity, positive word of mouth. And if they are not going to like a particular product, then they are going to indulge in negative publicity or negative word of mouth. But this A is not, included in case of communication. We are going to, discuss ADA model in case of communication, then we are going to discuss only these 4 points. This A is going to be discussed in case of marketing and not in case of the topic of business communication. So please keep it in mind that whenever you are going to discuss the topic of ADA model in case of communication, you have to mention only these 4 points. And when you are going to discuss the topic of ADA model in case of marketing, so you are going to club these 4 points along with one more, which is, advocacy. So that's all for today. Thank you for watching. If you are new to our channel, then please do not forget to subscribe it. Give the videos a thumbs up if you like it. Share our videos as much as possible. Take care until we meet next time.